Bismillah, Alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Understand Al-Quran and Salah, the easy way 3-minute series, lesson number 37b, in which we will learn imperative forms. We have learned that the fi'l is of 3 types: Madi, the perfect tense; Mudare, the imperfect tense; and Amr, imperative. Madi means that which is done. Mudare, that which is not done yet, being done or will be done. And Amr is to order or request someone. Under that category, you can also include nahi, which is to stop someone from doing as an order or request. So let us repeat fi'l madi and mudare forms that we have learned so far. Repeat after me. Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'ala, fa'alu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'alta, fa'altu.
Fa'altum, fa'alna.
Fa'altum, fa'alna.
Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Yaf'alu, yaf'aluna.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'alu, af'alu.
Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Taf'aluna, naf'alu.
Now let's talk about the TPI for these imperative and negative forms. So what you have to do is fold your hands and lift your right hand to the nose level and open your index finger, point it towards top, and then bring it down and say if'al, do. Okay, if'al, do. And use 4 fingers and say if'alu, do, meaning all of you. And now for la taf'al and la taf'alu. Again, fold your hands and start with your right hand and pointing your right index finger. Open your hand and say la taf'al, don't do. And la taf'alu, don't do, with 4 fingers. Again, if'al, if'alu, la taf'al, la taf'alu. So can you translate if'al,
Do.
If'alu,
Do.
La taf'al,
Don't do.
La taf'alu,
Don't do.
Okay, again, la taf'al,
Don't
do. Again, la taf'al,
Don't do.
La taf'alu,
Don't do.
Again, if'al,
Do.
If'alu,
Do.
La taf'al,
Don't do.
La taf'alu,
Don't do.
MashaAllah. Let's take dialogues now. But before taking dialogues, let's take a new word, which is sawfa. Sawfa means soon. So when I say if'al, do, you will say sawfa af'alu, soon I will do. And when I say if'alu, do, for all of you, I will say, or we will respond, sawfa naf'alu, soon we will do. So can you answer me? If'al,
Sawfa af'alu.
if'alu,
Sawfa naf'alu.
again, if'al,
Sawfa af'alu.
if'alu,
Sawfa naf'alu.
again, if'al,
Sawfa af'alu.
if'alu.
Sawfa naf'alu.
MashaAllah. That's it for now. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.